Hello. In this video we will understand how to resolve the issues related to Amazon orders. Here are some of the common order-related issues. 1. Channel connector broken. 2. Order processed from the panel. 3. Unfulfillable orders. Amazon connector broken. Connectors may break due to two reasons. Invalid credentials. Failed two-factor authentication. Invalid credentials. It is necessary to update the password on Uniware if you change it on the seller panel. To fix the connector, you may go to Settings and click on Amazon. Go to Connectors. As you can see, it says Invalid credentials. You may click on Reconfigure and update the new credentials. Now, click on Connect. An OTP will be sent to the Authenticator app. The OTP will be sent on the Authenticator app, which is configured in two-step verification on the seller panel. You may mention the OTP and click on Submit. And the connectors are now fixed. Two-factor authentication. To fix the connector, you may go to Settings and click on Amazon. Go to Connectors. As you can see, it says Connector broken. You may go to your seller panel settings and select Login settings. Click on Turn on for two-factor authentication. Now, select Add New Phone or Authenticator app. To generate the OTP, click on Can't scan the barcode and copy the secret key as shown in the video. Go to Uniware and click on Reconfigure under Amazon two-factor authentication. And paste the secret key and click on Connect. A code will be generated in this pop-up. Copy the code and paste it in your seller panel. Click on Verify OTP and continue. As you can see, an Authenticator app has been added here. Please make sure to set the Authenticator app as your preferred method so that the OTP will directly go to the Authenticator app and the order processing can be done smoothly. You can now go back to Uniware and click on Submit. The connectors shall now be fixed. Order processed from Amazon Seller Central. If the order has crossed unshipped status on Amazon Seller Central and moved to the Sent tab, then the order will be considered as processed from the panel. In this case, the order needs to be completed from the Seller Central only, as it will not be synced in Uniware. Unfulfillable orders. In case where the order is not visible to the new tab in Uniware, you may go to the dashboard icon and select Order Items. If the order is visible in the Unfulfillable tab, it means that the item in this order has no inventory. You may add the inventory for this product in Uniware and wait for 5 minutes to get the shipment created. Thank you for watching.